scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Velocity functions can look scary, but finding the position of a particle is actually super simple if you follow these 3 quick steps right now. First, remember that position is the integral of velocity. To find the change in position from 0 to 2 seconds, we must integrate our given velocity function over that specific interval. Next, do not forget the initial condition. The particle starts 4 units to the right, so we add 4 to the definite integral of our velocity function to find final position. Finally, evaluate the integral using your calculator. Adding the initial 4 units gives 3.612, meaning option D is the winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs and avoid rushing. Trust given values and check steps for option D.